Oral health and hygiene is very important in the lives of the people you care for. So, to help you help them, we'll define oral health and identify risk factors.
Wow, that's some serious sugar you're putting in your tea there. Between all the tea you drink and the lollies you eat, no wonder you're not hungry.
Well, eating lollies is easier than food, and my mouth gets very dry, so lollies are good.
We'll explain the consequences of poor oral hygiene.
Do you have any pain in your mouth?
I'm fine, please don't fuss over me.
We'll implement strategies for preventing poor oral hygiene. And we'll show you how to assist an older person in the cleaning of their teeth and dentures. When caring for older people, one of the best things you can do is to observe the whole person. And if you always stop, check, and act, then the person in your care will have better oral health.